My name is Sujit Bila and you're watching Sujit Talks. I'm a registered migration agent based in Australia who is passionate to publish pristine information about Australian immigration. Stay tuned for more videos by subscribing to Sujit Talks on YouTube and clicking on the bell icon. For some interesting news stories on Australian immigration, like my page Sujit Talks on Facebook. This video is about RRV, Written Resident Visas 155, 157, Lodgements, Grant numbers, Refusal numbers for the financial years 2016-17 and 17-18. Before we talk about the numbers, what is a 155 visa and what is a 157 visa? The subclass 155, so-called RRV, is a permanent visa with a travel facility up to 5 years. Applicants who have been in Australia as a permanent resident for a total of 2 years in the last 5 years are eligible to be granted the maximum travel facility of 5 years. Those applicants who do not meet the residence requirement may be granted a travel facility for up to 12 months, where they can demonstrate substantial personal employment, business or cultural ties that are of benefit to Australia. On the other hand, the subclass 157 RRV is a permanent visa with a travel facility of 3 months. It is generally granted to applicants who do not meet the requirements for a subclass 155. I repeat, 155 is a 5-year resident written visa and 157 is a 3-month resident written visa. The subclass 157 RRV is a permanent visa generally granted to applicants who do not meet the requirements for a subclass 155 visa. For example, an applicant who has recently commenced living in Australia but needs to travel overseas for compelling and compassionate reasons. I have other videos on 155 and 157. Basically, 157 is a permanent visa with a travel facility of 3 months. 2 financial years 2016-17 and 17-18. So in 16-17, 154,606 lodgements in 155 5-year resident return visa. So in 155 visa, 154,606 lodgements in the year 2016-17. In the next financial year, 17-18, which is the last financial year, 168,959. So there was an increase of over 14,000 lodgements for 155 visa. On the other hand, 157 visa, 150 of them lodgements in 2016-17, while 72, half of them, lodged in 17-18. Talking about granted versus refused, in 16-17, 666 in fact got granted under 155, while 1,141 got refused. Last financial year 2017-18, 154,392 got granted, while 231 got refused. So the refusal rate is very less in the last financial year compared to 2016-17. Talking about 157, 159 grants in 16-17, while 74 grants in 17-18. Refusals none in 16-17 and 1 in 17-18. This information was released by the Department of Home Affairs under the Freedom of Information Act 1982. That brings an end to this video. Thank you for watching. My name is Sujit Bila, a registered migration agent based in Australia. If you require immigration advice, go to my website sujittalks.com, select your time zone and schedule a phone or web consultation.